Waterfalls. On our way to a cozy cabin, and we're gonna do some adventuring. So let's go. We just got to Sahalie Falls. I hope it's pretty.
It's so strong.
That was such an abundant waterfall. Oh my gosh, I love it. Do you want to say something? Okay. Pretty. Only if this tree wasn't here. I have to put my feet in there. I have to. Oh, it's so cold. It's so cold. It's so beautiful. Booyah, baby. She's flowing. She's so hard. Absorbing some sun. Get that hand sun action. What do you want to do?
What?
What do you want to do?
Forget.
All right, we went to another waterfall because we can. This is America. We're not there yet. Look at this bench. Look at this bench. I love it. Oh my god. Less water, but I feel like this one's prettier. Ooh, I love it. Look at this, it even has side waterfalls. Oh my goodness, and this green. Wow, that is so pretty. Do some push-ups? Yeah, work out for me, work out for me, work out for me, work out for me. He does this literally everywhere. Look at that beautiful waterfall. It's so beautiful. That's for sure. Nature! Just a reminder, guys, don't leave your trash places. In Hawaii, they teach us to leave a place better than when you came. So let's clean up after ourselves. I want to swim. That water is literally telling me like, Emma, come and swim in me. This hike is so pretty with like these wooden things. Oh, I love it. Yes. Baby, I love waterfalls. Oh my goodness. I think this was from last year's fire. For all the baby trees that are growing. This is such a cute little town. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's so crazy. Ah. All right, we just got to our second destination, but we have to wait in line for a while. So we'll be chilling with our Starbucks. Hello. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. On our way to the cave. And it's really cool because our flashlight number is 43 and so is our cabin. Synchronicity. It's 43 degrees in this cave and I can already feel it. This is so cool. We're in a cave. Rocks. Ceiling. Wall. More rocks. It's so sparkly. Such a big cave. Wow. Look at it. Dang. It's like a big worm lives in here. If I can handle sharp things. I think this is the sparkly stuff everywhere. It's so beautiful in here. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Meow. Ooh, ooh. Look at it all. Look at it all. Hello. I made it to the ceiling, guys. I made it to the ceiling. We're in a tiny cave now. We found some gold, guys. And we're gold mining now. Come on, shine light on that. That was it. And it's closed. And these are supposed to be sand caves or sand something. Sand garden, that's what it's called. Apparently it used to look like that now. Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't look like that now. It's a cave party. It's a cave party. Cave rave! This looks like a ghost hunting video. We are alone in the dark. Oh. It's fun to sing in the dark. I'm so cold now, I feel like I'm freezing.
It's like so much
Yeah.
so fun.
It's so fun.
Sorry, poopy poop.
It's okay, poopy poop. Poopy poop.
Yeah.
Yeah. My camera's trying to focus. Ooh, it's too focused. Well, that was exhilarating. I look like I just got out of a cave. I'm all red because I'm so cold. There she is, the end of it. I'm literally so cold. I cannot feel my fingertips. Ooh, I just feel the heat now. Oh, 95-degree weather. Now I'm defrosting. Oh, never been so thankful for you, son. Thank you for the heat. Thank you for the heat. Hello, we are here at the cabin and it's really quiet. Let's do a quick tour. So it looks awesome. Cook a little something. Has stairs, a little bench. I want to read a book there. You go in. Ooh, a couch. I love the curtains. I think they're so cool with all the animals. That is like really cool. This is our little kitchen. I hope this works. Oh yeah, I guess it's kind of, this feels more like a fridge, but it has ice, so I guess it's okay. Gonna eat there. Has two little beds. Ooh, isn't this shelf so cute? And oh my goodness, I love this window. Straight to nature. Oh, so nice. A little bathroom. Hello! Will you like my outfit of the day? Little brown on brown. I wanted to feel a little cute, so I wore my skirt. And we will be taking showers, yes indeed. Oh, they gave us toilet paper. How kind. Good thing I brought another roll. And a great view of next door. Oh, I think that's Wi-Fi. Cool. Well, this is fun. I think this is my first time ever staying in a cabin, and it's a deluxe cabin. We are at LaPine State Park in Oregon, cabin number 43. Ooh, I like this backdrop. I should take some Instagram photos here. I think this is kind of funny. They have an exit sign at the only door that exists in this cabin. Captain Obvious created this cabin. All right, well, I think we're just gonna unpack, relax a little bit, eat some dinner, and enjoy our little staycation.